Some families or Chinese restaurants reuse their broth to simmer over and over. It is necessary in many Chinese meat recipes. The more this broth is used, the better will be its taste. Here are the ingredients. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut 4 slices of ginger. Peel the orange and keep 6 pieces of zest. Avoid the white skin. In a saucepan, put the orange zest, the ginger slices, the star anise, the cinnamon stick, the sugar, the salt, the pepper, the Shaoxing cooking wine, the dark soy sauce, the light soy sauce, the sesame oil, the water. Combine all together and bring to the boil. When the preparation boils, you can add your meat to simmer. When you have finished your recipe, let the broth cool down, filter it, and keep it in a box in the fridge or freezer for next use. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.